Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib and today we're going to show you this 2018 Bighorn Bunkhouse. Come on in, we're going to go around here a little bit. We got this power awning, of course, your outside speakers. Those are waterproof. Pretty cool. You know, it's made by Heartland, so you know you can trust that product. Magnets right here for the basement door up here. Look at that, all finished, all just clean and nice. And as those magnets are nice to have. So we're gonna go in and show you more stuff, okay? Very welcoming coach. As you go in, the TV is right there, of course, and you got your kitchen. Look at this kitchen, it's a beautiful kitchen. Look at this fridge, double freezer down there, solid surface, more storage. Look at that, more good stuff here. I like this for the you know, kind of traffic flow. Nice heated massage seats, recliners, nice dinette. You know, look at the ceilings, big. This slides right there is huge. And you got lots of storage. And back here, folks, if we go in here, we're gonna see this bunkhouse. It's an actual room, really nice. Sleeps at least 3, and you got lots of storage in this puppy here. Look at that, storage galore. Anywhere you go, we got storage. We can mount a TV if you'd like. And we go back here. There is a back door, folks. Pretty good stuff. It's kind of important to have 2 doors. And in here, you're gonna have actually back and a coach. This one is pretty nice. Tall ceilings. You know, little big guys will be able to fit in here comfortably. And as we go up out here, we're gonna look at the fireplace. In a way, this is a nice touch to have. Vacuum clean, you know, vacuum system in there also, pretty cool. We go up here, guys, to the bathroom, and this is a motorhome style door. See how it swings? So this way, you know, it's not in the way all the time. Really nice enclosed shower in there. So have fun in it. Back here, we got your bedroom right here. Walk around bed. It's a little bit snug, but you can manage. Look at here, big, huge closet. It's a washer and dryer ready. And the TV is in there, folks. So the TV slides out through here. So when the TV is here, you slide it out this way. If you're not using the TV, you have a window, which is pretty cool. Lots of storage. Look at that. Lots of storage. There's 6 of them. That's pretty cool. Let's go outside and show you more. So we got the slide. That's the kitchen slide right here. Another slide. Hydraulic leveling, not electric. Hydraulic leveling, 6-point right there. All of them are hydraulic, non-electric. Big surprise for you guys up here. The outside kitchen, nice size fridge, your sink. I mean, you name it. You can hook up a cable, put a TV up here. Nice touch with. Look at that, storage up there too. So, yeah, come on in here. We're gonna find the ladder up here. That means, you know, it's a walk-on roof. You can go up there, check on debris, what have you. This is our extra door. Remember, the rear door is right here. Camera ready up there. The camera is not there, but it's camera ready. The housing is there. And as we go through, you can see the 2 big huge slides also on this side as we go. And then the 3rd slide on the side is right there. That's the bedroom. So pretty nice stuff. 1 hub, everything's right there. Outside shower, everything is finished and ready for you. More information available. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.